Okay guys, welcome back to Shamil Robotic channel. So today we are making a contact management system. Once time again, I'm learning this from a YouTuber named Creative Word Project, I think. So let me check it first. Okay, yes, right. This project is from Project Words, like his contact management system. If you want to see it, I will give the video in the description. Also the source code, or I mean you can download the file in the description below. First thing first, you can see here like this. Okay, I already add someone. We will add a new contact. You can do like this, add new contact. No one, and the gender is female, then age is 14, then address somewhere around earth. Okay, sorry. Then the contact might be no one at no1.com, maybe like that, and save it. And you can see here, and if you want to update it, you can see like this. If this man already 15, you can update it, and boom. What? Okay, sorry, we must do like this, 15, then just continue again, and then update, then close it, and see 15. Then if you want to delete it, yeah, if you not befriended with no one again, yes. Okay guys, that's the thing. And the first thing you must know is this. Okay guys, this is in here you can see there are 3 files, and this is the code, this is the database, and this is the git attributes. Thus because they are file, not only the code. Okay, so I will give the code description in GitHub, and you can download these two men to in the Mediafire in the link down below too. So yeah, if you want to do that, but I'll insert a code with the database and the git attributes too in the description, or no, maybe. Okay guys, so yeah, something from Tinker, right? That's for the GUI. Imports SQLite, import Tinker again, then Tinker message box, then root title. You can change it, might be my friend that okay. Then run it. You can see here the name is my friend that okay. That's not. Then I will change it to contact again, maybe. Okay, and you can see here guys, there are a dev database, which is the database that this python dot tb. Okay, and then this is chon equals sqlite dot connect python dot tb. If you download it, you must make sure it's one folder. I name it contact management system in Python. Okay, then you can see here 3 files in the same folder. So if you not save it in the same folder, maybe it will wrong. Okay, thank you for watching. Goodbye, see you next time. Okay, save, and yeah, see you next time.